let's have a look at the geyser. Another fault I usually find on the geyser. So this is the geyser on-off switch. Okay. So yes, I have made a video before with a lack of a switch or breaker for the geyser. So I assume a lot of guys watch my videos and then they try to improve their caravans accordingly. But let's have a look at the wiring of that geyser. Okay, so if you look at that, you will see that there are two cables going into your caravan mains inlet port. Okay, so what you've seen down there are two cable sets going into your mains inlet. Okay, now what's happening there, the one cable, and both are very thin, you can see that. The one cable goes to your DB and your mains earth leakage in the caravan. That is 100% fine. Okay, the second cable comes to this switch supplying the geyser. So yes, if you want to switch on and off the geyser, you can do it here or you can do it here. Okay, so the mains switch you can do here, and you can choose your electric on and off, on your gas, etc. here. The two major issues we have with this setup is this is not an overload trip breaker. So it's not a circuit breaker with overload protection. If there's something wrong or a short circuit or the element has some short or anything that overloads that line in that geyser, no protection. Okay, fire hazard number one. This switch will start burning and melting and the fire will spread. Okay, that's when you get burnt caravans. Issue number two, because we are running directly to this point, we are bypassing the earth leakage. If you have an issue on your geyser with a live leaking to any part, you don't have protection. The earth leakage won't trip. So it's a very dangerous installation and it's not up to standard and it cannot be acceptable. So this needs to be addressed immediately. This is an issue and whoever did this electrical installation needs to redo it properly. Okay. Obviously, I wouldn't do it like this. I would just rather redo this caravan properly as I've done it for many other caravans that are now safe and running smoothly on the roads.